Hey guys, so got another video. This one's going to be a battery video, and I'm going to be showing a mod for the Google Play. Anyway, so my phone's in airplane mode, so I don't get any interruptions. As you know, one of my other videos, I think, a bunch back, I did a video on this one, which is 7500 milliamps, right? One second. Okay, so I did a review on that. Both of these batteries here are from eBay. They're from eBay. Just do a search for your phone. Mine is the Galaxy S3. Mine is the Galaxy. Actually, let's try that again. Mine is the Note 3, and that's what I searched. Note 3 extended battery. Note 3 extended battery. Anything, your model number and extended battery as a search on eBay, and it will pull up if there are any extended batteries for your model. So that's what I did. Initially, I picked this one up, 7500 milliamps. Works great, but I thought, well, this one came out. There's also the Zero Lemon that came out that are 10,000 milliamps. I don't know how much better they are. Honestly, I have no problems with these. These are like 20 bucks, right? Zero Lemon, I think they're 60 bucks. Maybe one of these days I'll actually pick one up. We'll see. I don't know. So I was looking around again, and there's this one for 8,000 milliamps. If you can see there, 8,000 milliamps. And this one is 7,500 milliamps. So a difference of 500 milliamps, right? Does it really make a difference? Honestly, to me, I think it did, because unplugging this at 4:30 in the morning, and I get back from work probably around 3 o'clock. With this battery, a lot of times with average use, my average use is probably considered as heavy use for most people. But I mean, I'm on the phone all the time. Everything's usually turned on. My brightness is about 50%, and everything's turned on. I usually don't turn anything off. And by the time I get back around 3 o'clock, it's sometimes at 50%, sometimes at 40%. With this one, I'll be down around 30% or 20%, depending on what I've been doing, if I was streaming a lot or whatever. But basically the same price. Size is identical. Comes with, so this extended back glossy came with the 8,000 milliamp, because obviously you need a back. This one came with a 7,000 milliamp, identical size. They are the exact same thing. This also had the glossy finish like this one here. But as you can see, as you touch it, you can see all the fingerprints and all that crap. What I ended up doing was taking sandpaper to it, just something to scuff it up, and then you can see all the, from sanding. Here it's a little bit harder. But what I did was to do that, so it scuffs it up, adds a little bit of texture to it, and after that I ended up getting a permanent marker and just going over it and slap it on. Away you go. It doesn't look the greatest, but a lot of people are really into, oh, it looks ugly, or your phone's got to be pimping all the time. That's fine. That's you do what you do. For me, 99% of the time, I'm looking at this, and not the back cover. So, to me, I'll sacrifice the aesthetics of the back cover for a little bit of grippiness. But that's me. I'm not saying go and do that, but just saying this is what I did, because this is too glossy. You always have to constantly wipe it. There's fingerprints all over it. Fingerprints here, same thing. but you just don't see it as much because it doesn't have the same gloss to it like this. So sandpaper the shit out of it, permanent marker, let it dry. When you're done, slap it on. Even if you don't like it, put a couple coats. I think I put about 2-3 coats on this, and it's been a couple months, so I might, you know, go over it again, blocking it up a little bit, slap it on. So once again, these are both from eBay, generally around 20 bucks each, you know, and they last me all day long. I'm sure for the average user, these batteries will probably last you 3-4 days, but for a freak like me, I unplug at probably 4:30 in the morning, and I probably plug it back in around 10 p.m. But usually when I get home, I'll plug it back in and get a quick charge on it. I could swap them out, but what I usually do now that I got 2 fat batteries plus the stock battery, these ones just stay as backups. They're fully charged, ready to go, you know, just in case I got something going on after work. I know I'm going to be gone the rest of the night, and if my battery's at 40%, you know, I don't want to have to start turning stuff off when I'm out, so I'll just swap it out, stick this on the charger. You can also get these chargers, you know, it's a wall charger for the Galaxy, for the Note 3, right, off of eBay. It's like $4, and it also has a side charger here, USB charger, so you can plug something else in there while this is plugged in to the wall and charging your fat battery or stock battery, whatever you want, right, like that. And you can plug something else here. So, you know, if you want power all the time, I suggest for 40 bucks, get 2 of these. For like $3-4, get one of these, and you have your stock, and you're good to go. I also have these off of eBay, micro USB cable. I know the Note 3 does use micro USB, which is the 3.0. I know, I've got a couple of these that you can get. You can get these for like $4 each. These are 6-foot cables. Got them off of eBay. Super thick cable, it's nice. So I got like 2-3 of those. And then majority of the time I actually use these ones here. That's a 10-foot cable. I hate being tethered to the wall if I'm trying to get a quick charger, if I'm just watching TV. So with a 10-foot cable, because these cables will still charge, not as fast as the 3.0, but it still charges, you know, if you're just relaxing or whatever. And that way you're not tethered to the wall. You've got some freedom to move around. 10-foot, and it's a flat, you know, a flat cable, so it doesn't tangle. So it's 10-foot micro USB cable. Those things are great. So I got the 2 fat backs, wall charger, everything from eBay. This is like $3-4 for the charger. It also has a USB port on it to charge something else. And I've got the 2 fat bats. My first one, which was 7,500 milliamps, and my daily driver, I guess you would say, what I use all the time for the 8,000 milliamp. That's it. You shouldn't have any questions. I've covered where I got it from, how much they cost. Everything's from China, so it takes, you know, 3 to 4 weeks to get from there to where I'm at, Windsor, Ontario, Canada, right across from Detroit. They come with the fat backs. That's it. Hope you liked the video.